How to delete WeChat messages from both sides. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily remove WeChat messages. First off, go ahead and open up your WeChat application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is simply go to the chat that you want to delete. So I don't have many chats on my inbox in my WeChat. I just have this one chat with my friend, and this is the message I've sent. So if you want to remove the message from both sides, just long press on and hold on it. Then from here you have different options like copy, forward, add to favorites, recall, and other messages. So if you tap on the recall option, the message will be reverted and deleted. So let me just show you guys again. If I type in other message, what I can do is just go ahead and tap on hold on it. Then you can select the message. Once you've selected it, you can tap on delete and then tap on delete again. And now you've successfully deleted the message. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next videos. Thank you for watching.